Get out on the lake, let's go fishing. Just where we'll point that boat, nobody knows. Well, we don't know if it's gonna be feast or famine. So sit your ass back and enjoy the Big John Show. Let it go! Watch that stump over there.
What's up, lifers? 2 days in the blind and seen one animal, not sure what it was. Ran across the road, about 75 yards from me. That's it. In 2 days, and some crows and rabbits. That's it. Nothing on video. Kind of slow. Bring y'all something. Be short, sweet, the way y'all like it. Nobody watches more than 4 minutes of my videos any damn way. Show y'all what we're working with. Make you sick. Move too fast. Kind of thick back here. I'm gonna put some game pictures in here and game camera photos. Only thing we're really having show up is a couple of bucks that are not legal. A doe or two during the day, which I hadn't seen them. So I'd probably let them walk. I don't hardly ever see does on this place. It's generally bucks or pigs. And we've got 3 different boars, but every one of them's coming in at 2 o'clock in the damn morning or later. I'm gonna hunt a few more times. I'll bring y'all video when I do. I'll wrap this one up after the game pictures, and I may drop a little bit of video just sitting in the blind, staring at what I stare at. I can't see what I look like. I don't know if this lighting's good enough. It's probably 10 o'clock in the morning. I'll wrap the video up in a minute. Alright, lifers. Hope y'all like looking at the game pictures. I've been out here putting in work. Not. I'd just as well not bring a gun. Much stuff I say back here. Maybe one day. Need to get out and hunt some government land, but if I do that, I'm not carrying all this camera equipment at this big GoPro, and y'all won't see the shot, promise. Y'all tell me what y'all want to see. I can't catch a fish anymore, so don't say fishing. I need to get out and do some catfishing, but that's all on somebody else's schedule. Finna start doing a few other things around here to bring y'all along when I'm cleaning and doing projects. Those seem like they get as much views as anything. Hope y'all enjoyed the pictures. That's about the content of this video. I hope everybody's having a good one. Not real happy about the election, but that's all I'm gonna say about it. Y'all made it this far in this little short, cringy ass video, y'all know what to do. Like, share, subscribe, and we're gone.